Upgrade your RV's braking system with the Lippert replacement brake hub assembly, designed to ensure smooth and reliable performance on the road. This fully assembled unit comes with bearing cones, seals, and grease already installed, making it incredibly easy to replace your worn-out hub assembly. The kit is compatible with 5-on-4, 5-inch bolt patterns and is specifically designed for trailers with Lippert 3,500 pounds axles. With a high-quality solid iron construction, this hub assembly ensures maximum durability and long-lasting performance. This replacement part is perfect for RV owners who want a hassle-free installation and the peace of mind that comes with using GM-recommended parts. The assembly fits 13 to 15-inch wheels and includes everything you need to restore your trailer's brake function. As part of the industry-leading Lippert brand, this part meets all necessary specifications for optimal performance, and it is available at a fraction of the cost compared to dealership prices. Top reviews from satisfied customers highlight its perfect fit and easy installation, even for beginners. The kit's pre-lubed hub and pre-installed parts make the process quick and straightforward. Whether you're fixing a damaged hub or upgrading your trailer's braking system, this assembly is the ideal choice. Make sure to check your original equipment label for compatibility before purchasing, and trust Lippert to get your RV back on the road without any unnecessary complications. Click the link in the description to buy this reliable and cost-effective Lippert replacement brake hub assembly today and ensure your RV is road-ready for your next adventure.